Hello YouTube, Zenji Garcia back again, and today I'm gonna bring you another Amiibo unboxing slash review. Now this is a Japanese Rosetta and Chiko, or in North America and Europe, Rosalina Luma. I got this free in a trade, but I'm gonna link something in the description how to get this one on Amazon Prime for $25 is at the moment with free shipping. Let's get it. Oh yeah, the little paper that comes inside of it. Alright, so here's Rosalina. It's very detailed Amiibo. It's gotta be one of my favorite ones in the Mario series line. For one, it's pretty thick, as you can see. Her head's very loose, also very thin plastic. Luma's pretty sturdy on there. Now let's see the box. Say Japanese Rosetta and Chiko. Here's the back. Well, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.